Advertising was born in a capitalist economy where the major focus was on generating profits. With newspapers and magazines gaining popularity in the 20th century, advertising became a common method used by companies to attract customers and increase their presence in the market. This is how advertising was introduced. William Bill Bernbach, the co-founder of one of the world's largest advertising firms, DDB, defines advertising in a manner that has prevailed the course of time and is accepted by marketers worldwide. According to him, advertising relies on an unmeasurable component, creativity. He further adds, the purpose of advertising is to sell. That is what the client is paying for. And if that goal does not permeate every idea you get, every word you write, every picture you take, then you ought to get out of the business. Any company that manufactures goods should be able to communicate and inform its consumers about its products' benefits. Advertising is one of the many forms used by businesses to achieve this goal. In layman's terms, advertising can be defined as the paid promotion of goods or services. Both offline and online media channels are used by advertisers to send their message across. This message is what we see as advertisements or ads. Besides the traditional TV, radio, print, and internet ads, other advertising locations that are growing popular include roadside billboards, store windows, ads on bulky vehicles like buses and trucks, subway walks, and e-newsletters. Now, effective advertising can be broken into several components, each of which individually determines the success of an ad. It goes without saying that if an advertisement does not get the attention of the public, then it will fail to deliver outcomes. This attention can be achieved as a result of using a good headline, graphics, music, and related aesthetics. An aesthetically correct and content-rich advertisement should be monitored and evaluated time and again so that it ensures a positive response even after a significant period of time. Now, what factors govern a good advertising strategy and what points should you keep in mind while designing an effective ad? In 2004, Amazon's founder Jeff Bezos and his team at Amazon created the world's best e-reader, the Amazon Kindle. It was revolutionary in the sense that it bridged the gap between avid readers and the millions of books available around the world. Bringing development and innovation together, Kindle has made a special place in millions of hearts through its ease and usage. Amazon has adopted strong advertising methods to promote Kindle. The moon, the sun, the ocean, the mountains, the city, the forest. Where do you find all of these together? Well, your imagination must have taken you to places, but we're specifically talking about the Discovery Channel here. A part of our childhood, the network channel has given life to most of our imaginations. Whether it's Bear Grylls taking a bite of a rare snake or an astronaut saying hello from the other world, the Discovery Channel has taken us on adventures.